Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, keep up. Today I come to you with a video about Can Yaman and Demet Özdemir. All the details are in my video. If you like my video, I would be really happy if you press the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can support me further with clicking the join button down below. Thank you, and let's get into my video. In a surprising turn of events, talented Turkish actress Demet Özdemir has sought solace and support from her co-star and rumored love interest, Can Yaman, by fleeing to Italy due to her deep-seated fear of earthquakes. The unexpected trip reflects the bond between the two stars and highlights the lengths people go to find comfort in times of distress. Demet Özdemir, widely recognized for her captivating performances, has been vocal about her fear of earthquakes in the past. With recent seismic activities stirring anxiety within her, the actress decided to take a spontaneous trip to Italy, seeking refuge in the embrace of Can Yaman, who has been a pillar of support in her life. Italy, known for its romantic landscapes and tranquil ambience, serves as a safe haven for Demet Özdemir during this challenging time. The actress, accompanied by Can Yaman, hopes to find solace and respite from her fears while being surrounded by the beauty and tranquility of the Italian countryside. The decision to travel to Italy demonstrates the strong bond between Demet Özdemir and Can Yaman, whose on-screen chemistry and rumored off-screen connection have captivated fans worldwide. The trip not only speaks to the depth of their relationship, but also showcases the lengths to which individuals are willing to go to provide comfort and support to their loved ones. While the exact details of Demet Özdemir and Can Yaman's trip remain private, their shared journey is a testament to the power of empathy and the importance of finding strength in the presence of those who care deeply about our well-being. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.